just not every day you get to get out of the office and come and plant trees. That's exactly what we've been doing here today. The team from Yamaha Motor New Zealand have come up to the Kaipara Harbour, up to Tàmata Hills, and helping out what we think is a fantastic initiative.
Yeah, Tàmata Hills is a rejuvenation project, 145 hectares back into native bush, restoring heavily degraded landscapes. The cycle it's been through is cleared of native bush around the 1850s, into pine forest, 1980s thereabouts, back into pasture, and here we are returning it again into native bush. So we boundary with established native bush on 3 of our boundaries. So there's magnificent kari, kahikatea, totara, rimu in there, as you can see. And the bird life, I mean, that's a great natural transporter of those native seeds. You can see, particularly the native pigeons, the tui, pea waka waka. It's magnificent to see them coming through, but also even things like the hawks, which live in this native environment. So we're helping to create environments for those species to come in and get restored. Degraded landscapes like this, which are no longer really suitable for farming, particularly under the current economic model, taking it back to its native state and restoring the flora, fauna and biodiversity is something that chimes in with a lot of people's thinking and mentality these days. Look, we've been really fortunate in making considerable progress in a short space of time. But the most enjoyable part of it is getting hands-on, sleeves rolled up, and getting involved in the planting and the clearing of the land. The good work will go on for a long time once I'm gone, and people make the mistake of thinking that once you've planted you can walk away from these projects, but you can't. There's a massive amount of work to be done long term, program management around pest, animal and plant management. Yamaha supported us with a 4-seat Forder Wolverine. We can collapse obviously the back 2 seats. Prior to getting that Yamaha, we were walking everywhere on the property. We've got something like 55 kill traps. Just getting around those on foot in a given day is at least a day's walk. Now we can do it in significantly less than that. That Yamaha's transformed our ability to get around the property and do the work we need to do. We've already had some volunteer groups coming up, helping us with replanting in areas where we've lost trees. But it's really showing this place as a showcase for the community and other initiatives as to what can be done. But I guess as a country and for people who are passionate about the natural environment, we want to use this as a model project for other people to get involved.
This project in particular ties in really well with our sustainable development goals, specifically around protecting and restoring land back to its native state, and we are really happy to be a part of it. This is a reflection of Yamaha's philosophy as a can-do creating company, which is about offering new exciting opportunities and a more fulfilling life for people around the world.